Full Point fam, we are on the hunt. It's been a while. Let's go. Oh no way, they got some new stuff. Mega Dances EX. A Mega Latias EX box. I'm buying this right now. Guys, I'm not a scalper, but Mega Evolutions is in here. So I got both from Walmart. Sorry. We have officially ran out of boosters because we haven't been going to the wild, like 5 and below, and getting cards. So what we're gonna do now is we have White Flare, we have Journey Together, and we have Destined Rivals. So we're gonna take one of each, and we're gonna go into the wild and get some cards. Well, besides get some cards, we're gonna go into the wild and pool. So bear with us while we open this. I gotta say, Pokemon does wrap their stuff very well. This plastic was hard getting off. It is hard getting off. Oh, Jesus. I feel like I'm opening up a Christmas gift when my family member decided to torture me with tape. We'll push these back here so we can have some room here. And we haven't done an official opening of a White Flare ATB box, but we're gonna put that over here for now. That's cool. Look at that. Player's Guide. Ooh. Without going too into this, we're just gonna pull out one booster, and that's it. White Flare. We're gonna close this back up. How did this go? Hey, that's cool, right? We just want that part anyway, without smashing it and ruining the box. So next up, Journey Together. And we will do an official opening later, but there it goes. Opening that up. There's that. Slide that open. Get rid of that. Get one of the packs out. Ooh, they feel so nice. It's exciting. All that stuff is in there. And, you know, including, I'm guessing the promo cards. You know, I haven't done an official opening, so I don't really know. And here goes Destined Rivals. By the way, I got the Journey Together at a card show, and I got Destined Rivals and the White Flare ETB at Walgreens. I'm telling you, spam that Walgreens website for that ETB box. Just a warning though, and caution. The picture that it shows right now, actually, I think it's Stellar Crown. It's not always going to be that. So if it pops up available on the website, you got to call and tell them what ETB box you have, because you might get surprised at what you get. Destined Rivals. Open that up. All that good stuff in there. But we only want the booster. We always do 3 boosters. Destined Rivals. Ho-oh. So this is what we're going to pull in the wild for the next video that we make. Wherever that may be. Let's go. Booster check. It's going to be a no. All they have is this Battle Academy? Dave's Hot Chicken. Should we do a pull here? So we're gonna pull at Dave's Hot Chicken. So, Full Point fam. Today we're gonna do White Flare, Destined Rivals, and Journey Together. So let's start with Journey Together. Here at Dave's Hot Chicken, we are waiting for our 20 sliders. I've been craving this place for a while now. Code Energy. Whoa, would you look at that? A full art Veluza EX. I think I mentioned that. Getting that card in Hollywood is so cool. Ends Darmanitan. Fungus. Axelgor. Point Cologne? You guys remember that one. End's Castle. Cubone, hey, original 151, Lechonk, Impidimp, and Dunsparce. Not a bad pull. The Veluza was pretty cool. Next up is White Flare from Scarlet and Violet. Okay, not bad. The other one opened up better, but hey, can't complain. Code. Energy. A Hollow Zoroark. A Hollow Gothitelle. A Hollow, whoa, Reverse Hollow Joltik. Nice Pokeballs. I think just that would be a Pokeball Reverse Hollow, I believe. Liepard. Swoobat. Stunfisk. Swadloon. Duat. Pignite and Boldor. Not bad. And finally, we get to Destined Rivals. Oh, see, there you go. That's that magic that we're looking for. Opens up easily. No issues. Code. Energy. A Hollow Team Rocket Sneasel. A Full Art Clamperl. Look at that. That is beautiful. Reverse Hollow Team Rocket's Porygon. Team Rocket's Weezing. Team Rocket's Transceiver. Lurantis. Even Sudowoodo. Team Rocket's Porygon. Buizel. And finally, Marnie's Impidimp. Come to Dave's Hot Chicken. It's very good here. You'll be surprised. So we are leaving, and this looks delicious. Can't wait to get home and chow down. Let's get the heck out of here.